You can get started. Right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's community meeting for Project Harbor. My name is Orlan. I'm going to lead that meeting today. It's official CNCF community meeting, so we follow the CNCF code of conduct, which boils down to be nice to each other and respect everybody's opinion. And that's also recorded. So if you don't feel like being recorded, you are free to leave and watch the recording afterwards. If not, please stay. Cameras are not mandatory, but it's good to see faces if we speak. So with that, we have some stuff added for today. Let me just open the agenda. I see Ikram is going to present a PR, and then Prasant is going to do a few updates around E2E tests and Project Harbor CLI. I'm sorry, slow monitor. So, Ikram, do you want to take it away?
Yes. I will show my screen.
Yeah, please do so. And
So, hello everyone. My name is Alwi Ikram. I am a recent cybersecurity graduate with a strong passion for cloud native technologies and DevOps. Currently, I am putting that passion to work as an intern at 8Gears. I am excited today because this is my first pull request contribution to the Harbor project. So let me show you the problem we identified and the solution I've implemented. So the problem I tackled was referenced in issue 22367. We discovered that our release artifact were missing their signature files, and this is a critical security gap because without these signatures, users have no cryptographic way to verify that the Harbor artifacts they download are authentic and haven't been compromised or tampered with. So the solution of this problem, to solve it, I implemented a keyless sign-in solution using cosign. This approach modernized our security by removing the need to manage long-lived private keys, which can be lost or stolen. Instead, we use ephemeral keys tied to our CE/CD identity to sign every artifact automatically during the build process. And the most important thing that I did is I ensured backward compatibility. The files user download today looks exactly the same. I just add a new separate signature file next to them. So now we jump into the demo. I will share my repo. So here you can see that the CE/CD pipeline ran successfully and the build package workflow ran, and I added this, install cosign and sign the artifact and upload them to S3 packet. And if we look to the release assets, wait. You can see here the artifact is now accompanied by It's .bundle file. And now I'll do the verification step. I share my terminal. So here I have already installed the artifact, and here is the verification command. Here this command will ask cosine, check the signature in this bundle against this installer. Only till it's verified if it was signed by GitHub Actions specifically running inside my project's build workflow. This is for the offline installer, and this verification for the online installer. So as you can see, the verification successful. This confirmed the artifact is authentic and safe. And that's it. I invite you all to check out the pull request on GitHub, and I would really appreciate your reviews and feedback. I've finished.
Thank you. Great work, and congratulations on your first PR in the project. Anyone? Any questions?
Thank you. Thank you for this contribution. That's helpful for us. And I have a question regarding the code changes. So do we need to assign all the hardware package, or do we just need to sign the release assets?
Only the release artifact.
Okay, but regarding to the code changes, I think we are doing to sign all the packages rather than just the release assets. Yeah, I will leave comments on that. But again, thank you for the contribution. And yep.
Thank you.
All right. Anybody else? Nope. All right. Thank you, Kram. I think we have that link into the notes. I'm gonna also send it into the chat so people can.
Thank you, Olen. Thank you.
Yeah. So people can review and comment, and I think you have some comments already by Prasant. So yeah.
Okay.
Alrighty. Okay, next up, if we don't have any questions about that, I think that's a super important thing that we have to fix. We were missing that for quite a while. So please, folks, take a look at the PR. Okay, next one. Prasant, do you want to go next?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So, share it. Yeah, I have some issues. If my screen's stuck in the middle, please let me know. So if you don't see my screen moving, so yeah. So this has been like going on for a while. Harbor UI end-to-end test, like migration from robot to playwright. Miner had some concerns regarding like how to execute this in Docker and other environments. So I have done it, tested it, works across different environments. I also made a Docker file, so which playwright and all these tests will now run in a containerized environment, just like you have same as the robot if you want to, but so yeah, it just basically runs if you just npm install. That's for developers, and if you are in CI/CD, there is actually a GitHub action that comes with the playwright, so which is like spins up a container that is like a action environment that is already pre-installed with the playwright and things like that. So if you really want, you can use Docker run, and I have also added a bunch of updates like what it supports and whatnot. So regarding the other main was like how are we going to execute like Docker commands like other like ORAS or image push and things like that. And for that, we can make use of the node child process. So it's just like just spinning up a shell inside the environment. So it will like using that we can run scripts, we can do other things. Um, so yeah, and basically if you have cell access, you can pretty much install any CLIs and yeah. And there's much more. I have also added a few screenshots regarding like how it works and things like that. So please go through it and give it a review again. So yeah, and also I added this new PR, which is like going through the trivi.robot test case, which you can take a look at. So this one, where is it? The thing. So yeah, this one is like running all the test case and etc. So it goes through, creates a bunch of it, and then runs. Yeah. So this is exactly doing this test case. Group one nightly trivia.robot. This is one of the bigger test case that involves like pushing artifacts, making changes to it, deleting it, like all the like the end-to-end thing. This is one of the hard test cases, I guess. So just want to showcase it is possible and doable. You also like if tests fail, you also get this is the report. So this is the same as if you run it locally or run it Docker or run in the CI/CD, you will get the same report. It is just viewable in the browser, and then you can also get a trace, which is basically the entire debug capabilities of what happened, what are the network logs, and like what are the console logs, where did things go wrong, etc. So yeah, and also you get attachments of a screenshot and a video file. So yeah, you can also watch that to see if where things go wrong, etc. Yep, that's it. And one more thing is for the that's it for the UI end-to-end test. And the other one is we have so if you go to the CLO monitor, we have this Harbor project in there, so we can check the project score. So this is, I guess, a new thing, like along with the project LFX project insight. This is for like checking on the security and best practices of the project. So we have missed some of the things which we can do. So some security inside signed releases, SBOMs with the artifacts we release and things like that. And also we need to take a bit more look into this token permissions, which is basically we give excessive permission to our GitHub actions. So we may need to like reduce that a bit. So yeah, something you people can take a look at and see what's the stage. There's also like all the CNCF projects in there, so we can like do and check out. So yeah,
Yeah,
let's.
about that, about the CLO monitoring percent.
Mm-hmm.
I've been monitoring that for the last 2 years,
Mm-hmm.
so it's not a new thing. It exists for the last 2 years or something. The
Uh,
thing is, they constantly are adding new checks and stuff like that.
yeah,
So great that you come up, and I saw that you added the website and the CLI,
yeah.
so they're also checked. So yeah,
Yeah.
we were pretty good at 98% before. Maybe they added some stuff, or we kind
Yeah,
of
yeah,
lost
yeah.
some. So yeah, if someone wants to
Mm-hmm.
check, by the way, you can check the actual. You can dig into the actual check that the CLO monitoring is doing. So you can figure out
Yep.
what's missing in our repository. For example, just pick something.
Let's pick, for example,
Yeah, for
like.
example, SBOM. The SBOM is going to look for
You
Yeah,
can
if you go,
click the check docs, and yeah, you can see what's going on in there, like how do they define and what are the
Yeah.
things they check. Yeah.
So if someone wants to improve that score and open PRs, it's great. So we can do that for sure.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, cool. That's it from my side. Any comments or feedbacks would be appreciated.
I present for the playwright proposal. Could you please work with Mir to make sure you address all her comments?
Minor? Yeah. Is she in the call?
I noticed she is not in the call today,
Okay.
but maybe we can find some time, right?
Yeah.
Between the time. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I will try to arrange a meet with her offline if possible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Anything else? Okay then. Yeah. Cool.
Okay. I don't have anything else on my side except that I can share a little bit what we did on the KubeCon side. We did the lightning talk, went pretty well. The maintenance track was moderately well attended. We had like 40 between 45 and 60 people, close to 60, and it was like super late in the afternoon. So yeah, we were not expecting even that number. A lot of people came up to the booth to speak with us. There were some interesting questions around if we plan to integrate with Copa or Spiegel. So we can do something about that. I think Vadim has a extensive list of all the kind of new requirement. It's not new requirement. It's more ideas from the community what they think is going to be good to have in the project. Yeah. So overall, it was very, very, very good. Positive feedback again from the community that we're doing a good job. So thank you very much, everyone. And yeah, I don't have anything else. Anyone wants to share anything or introduce themselves? I can see some names that are either joining for second time or I'm not recognizing them. So if you feel like introducing yourself, now is the time. Nope. Alrighty then. I think in that case we can have some time back and see you guys in 2 weeks' time. Right? Thank you very much, everyone.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.